Meet Sami. Sami works as a CEO in a big company. So naturally, he's a very busy man. His company was very successful and is expanding, so they need new IT hardware and software. Now Sami is worried because he has to find a company that will not only be fast and reliable, but he also needs this company to provide professional maintenance and special support for all their services after the sale's made. The last time he needed new IT hardware and software, he had to work with many different companies to acquire what he needed, and that resulted in a lot of delays, misunderstandings, and headaches. Luckily, Sami found Global Style Technology, the leading company that provides hardware, networking, software license, and maintenance and supports all its products. One contact point for all IT hardware and software. He was very happy to find that all of his troubles could be solved with this one reliable company. He was able to order everything online and contact customer support about each product that he wanted to buy. He was pleasantly surprised and glad to find that the customer support was very professional and polite, recommending the best suiting product for his needs. He also found that Global Style Technology had their own brand for tablet called StylePad. This way, he was able to get these devices for his most valued employees. Very soon, everything he ordered, laptops, computer accessories, cameras, printers, toners, GPS devices, card readers, and much, much more have arrived at the company's offices, and all with installed licensed software that he ordered. Sami is content with his business decisions. The company he works for is running smoothly. He will surely keep in mind Global Style Technology for all of his needs in IT hardware and software with license in the future. Global Style Technology, where technology comes in style. Call us today at 962-6533-5561 or visit our website at www.gst-joe.com.